Hello and welcome to another episode of the Discontent Podcast. This is episode 43 and we're back after a month. I'm Aditya Khanna. With me is Bharat Misra. अब एक बोल ना कुछ यार ऑडियो भी जाता है पॉडकास्ट.
Hi.
हाँ. And हिमांशु आर्या.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Yeah. And before I think we have no time for pleasantries today because we have a lot to knock back.
Yeah.
We're gonna discuss Christopher Nolan's new film, Tenet. Um, we'll also discuss David Fincher's new film, Mank. And if possible, if time permits, we'll also discuss Scorsese's Irishman. Because I don't think we discussed it so far in this podcast uh, with the space it deserves. So, uh, starting from the shittiest of the bunch, let's start with Tenet. Sorry, I'm gonna give away my opinion on this one pretty early.
Yeah.
So I think I'm very loaded against the film, so I don't want to start on Tenet. One of you guys go ahead. Whoever feels more positively for the film, start.
Bharat,
I
I think
think
Bharat,
Bharat.
yeah,
yeah,
I think I liked it.
yeah.
I personally did. I really enjoyed it actually, to be honest. And I watched it in not in IMAX, but I watched
Hmm.
it in theaters. And so I think, and also thankfully, it had subtitles, so I did not have any trouble understanding what these guys are speaking.
Yeah,
Uh,
especially Dimple Kapadia. Sorry. Yeah.
her accent, I don't know, it bothered me a little, but it's okay. I mean,
Yeah.
ठीक है अभी सभी करते हैं सब थोड़ा सब यूएस जाके यूएस वाली
हाँ,
स्टाइल में बोलते हैं ना तो
अगर इरफान सर ने कर दिया था तो मतलब आई
exactly.
थिंक हाँ.
But I don't know. I did not dislike it. I think I'm not saying it's oh amazing. It's a great movie. Oh
Hmm.
fuck, like it's a masterpiece. It's not that obviously.
हाँ.
But for example, if compared to Interstellar, the kind of shit it peddled about love being the
Love.
fourth
Love.
dimension, yeah,
हाँ.
I mean, this is at least in the realm of science fiction,
Hmm.
and it has a perfectly and I did not have trouble understanding a lot actually. I think थोड़ा सा हाइप ये क्रिएट किया गया है कि कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा तुम्हें. ऐसा
हाँ.
नहीं है. मुझे तो most of it I got. There are
Hmm.
certain points where I'll be like, okay, what was that again? I do not know for sure what happened, but more or less I could understand what's happening. I
हाँ.
thought the film was predictable at some points.
Yeah.
Yeah, like for example, again, spoiler तो दे ही रहे ना मतलब हम इसमें.
Hmm.
So for example, I could tell from almost when it happened that like when these two guys come out of the vault,
Turntail.
the
Turntail.
turnstile, what
Turnstile.
it
Turnstile. Yeah.
Hmm.
turnstile. I knew the moment that this he pulls off the mask and he lets
Hmm.
that person go. I'm like I'm sure it's these two guys.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's one of them, but yeah, still.
Hmm.
And for example, when you see that green wala thing, na, no, the this mysterious guy
Right.
who has a thing falling out of his bag.
Yeah,
हाँ
yeah.
हाँ
The
हाँ
red,
हाँ हाँ.
red.
By the way, one thing, let me just stop you there. We are doing spoilers for Tenet. We are not
Yeah,
doing spoilers for Mank because Bharat Misra has not finished the movie. But
yeah,
we are doing spoilers for Tenet.
spoilers.
Okay. So yeah. By the way, I personally think even if you haven't seen it, it's okay,
Yeah,
and you shouldn't bother. But in case, so yeah,
okay.
go on.
So I felt that it was predictable at some points, but by and large, I was never unentertained. I
Hmm.
was, in fact, at the end, I was like, oh my fucking god, how. For the most part, I was thinking, shoot kaise kiya isko, you
हाँ.
know. And I thought it was a pretty ingenious trick to sort of show it to, from different perspectives. And I was always grappling with, oh my god, what perspective is this? And it was, I think, also aided by sound design
Hmm.
because music was, I think, playing companion to where the perspective is.
Hmm.
So I felt that that was interesting. I thought that's one thing that I've never seen in cinema before. So yeah,
Okay. I think Himanshu has a midway opinion on the film. At
yeah,
least that's what we the last time I spoke to Himanshu. So I just want to counter a lot that Bharat said right now. ठीक है.
okay.
मेरे हिसाब से I was damn excited for the movie. Okay,
Hmm.
and this I would just like to hark back to when he was not releasing in the theaters and all that. By the way, just like disclosure, I had not watched it in the theater. I watched it very illegally, in fact. So
Yep.
yeah, so I think the reason Nolan wanted people to watch this movie in the theater is because he wants people to just be like, oh wow, like he just because his set pieces are good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yes.
not beyond questioning, right? Matlab, I know what he's good at is other large action set pieces. He does them pretty masterfully, I would say, on most occasions. So
Yes.
I think that kind of takes our breath away so much in the movie theater because it's so all because I know for a fact that if I would have seen, I saw it on the TV. If I would have seen it on a movie theater, I would have been a lot more impressed by the movie.
Correct.
So I do think there's that, but also in my opinion, the things I really disliked the most about the film, the music I thought was terrible. I wasn't with the music at all. It wasn't working for me even a little bit, like at any moment. The direction I thought was shit because I felt that usually Nolan does these films with a stream of consciousness kind of thing, right? It just kind of flows with everything, whether it's a Dunkirk between shifting between three different battles or
Hmm.
Inception, blah blah blah, right? Like,
Yeah.
but on and I realized that a large part of that heavy lifting is done by Hans Zimmer because
Yeah.
Hans
Yeah.
Zimmer said no to this one to do Dune, right? Did you guys know about that?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I did.
I do think that played a big factor over here. Plus, on the science of it, okay, this is my biggest problem. Everything else, actually, no, sorry, I'll come to the science of it. I have one more thing to say on this, which is the core idea of a story,
Hmm.
right? Which sort of Nolan prides himself on. Whether in Interstellar, it was actually a story about a dad and his daughter, about a family like that, right? And so with Inception, with him and his family and whatever. In this one, I thought the core of the story was something that I did not give even a rat's ass about. Like I just did not care about these people. Like I felt like there was no that the characters were not rich enough for me to bother that this couple holds the key to every. It just seemed very convenient to have this. It felt like when that couple got the Russian couple got introduced into the film, I thought this was going to be the stepping stone to the real story. Okay, like to the real shit, but it never happened.
Hmm.
I thought that core itself did not work for me. Okay,
Hmm.
and because that's the reason I really disliked the film, like maybe more than Interstellar, because Interstellar I felt like that the science might have been like
Wonky.
hackneyed or whatever, but this like the core story in Interstellar was still pretty airtight, right? And Matthew McConaughey with his performance, and this guy is frankly, in my opinion, a Varun Dhawan. Okay, John David Washington, he's Denzel Washington's son, I believe. Okay, so
yeah.
let's not like he wasn't good
I
at
don't think
all.
it
I
was.
felt
No, he wasn't. He wasn't.
he
Even
What
the
are you
wasn't a
guys
good
performance.
talking
actor
about?
at
I
all.
really felt he was good, dude. Like
I
he,
found him to have no
I,
emotions. I mean,
yeah.
Yeah,
I have
same,
a theory.
because
I
he's a
really
CIA
think,
operative.
guys, I really think there is a motivation to that. I feel there is a reason why Nolan did not like. Also, for his name, I don't think he's ever named in the movie, right?
Yeah, he's the
no, he's a
protagonist.
protagonist.
He's the
Yeah.
protagonist, right? I feel I actually felt this, that he is an empty shell. Like his character is almost like if you have watched, oh sorry, played Half Life, he's
Hmm.
Gordon Freeman, whatever that name guy's name is, Gordon Freeman. And I felt that that is by design, because you start the movie in the beginning is very cold. It's like, why do I care about this guy in this situation?
Hmm.
But I also feel that that's because by the end of the movie, I came to sort of realize that this character's journey begins in the future. He is
Hmm.
an important guy in the future. So right now, he's just an everyman, or he's just some random person. It's not like
Hmm.
he's your protagonist in the beginning of the film. It's almost like in the beginning, for the even the whole Bombay sequence, the
Yeah.
when they
By
have
the
to,
way, Cafe Mondegar.
yeah, Cafe
Shout out.
Mondegar,
Yeah.
correct.
Yeah.
And I genuinely felt it was jarring to me कि suddenly they cut to Bombay
अरे
and
कुलाबा कॉजवे आ गए हाँ it was
they
like that.
don't explain why they're here.
हाँ
They don't even explain कि हमें उस छत पे क्यों जाना है. संदीप सिंह कोई भी वो बंदा है
हाँ
या संजय सिंह.
हाँ
हाँ, वहां उससे उससे क्या मिलेगा, क्यों
हाँ
जाना है, वो तब पता चलता है जब वो उसको गन पॉइंट पे रखता है.
हाँ
So I think these are directorial choices which are flawed in this, but I feel there is some design, there is some element of design by keeping this character completely soulless in the beginning, and by the end you realize, oh, he is a big deal in the future. Right now, he's just an
Hmm.
I
everyman.
get it. You know, his
Yeah.
name is not. People are saying that he started Tenet. Tenet is like an organization
Hmm.
that
Exactly.
Right.
stops things from happening in the future, right?
Hmm.
Isn't that the thing? So he started this, and he's the guy making sure that nobody else has, uh, you know, access
Hmm.
to machines like this.
Hmm.
Right.
So, but I'll tell you the problem I found was that the exposition that every character were, laid like loaded with, like every character had to explain 10 different things to the audience, right?
Hmm.
So मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा था एक point पे, like the conversation is not a conversation anymore,
True.
and Dimple Kapadia is given way too much weight, like too much
Yeah.
Too much to
depends
explain.
on, हाँ वो बैठ के खड़े होके चल के मतलब बोले जा रही है वो,
एक
ठीक
तो
है।
वो फोन कॉल क्यों नहीं करता यार? बॉम्बे क्यों
हाँ,
जाना है उसको?
बॉम्बे
हाँ
पर्सनली क्यों जाना है उससे
फोन
बार बार
करना,
मिलने के लिए?
सीधे
या
फोन कर
एक
ले.
तो वो बैक जा रहा है टाइम में पीछे जा रहा है ना, like when he
हाँ,
went to meet
Yeah.
Dimple Kapadia, it's after he's already gone back in time for some
Yeah.
राइट,
reason.
Yeah.
तो
राइट.
कुछ मुझे लगा you're wasting your time ना, you're going
On
back.
a couple of things, a couple of things. First of all, I'm very happy to know that जहाँ मैं एक बार दारू पी के उल्टी किया वहां पर क्रिस्टोफर नोलन ने कैमरा पकड़ा है, ठीक है. एक तो वो है, ठीक है. और दूसरी बात है कि जो मैं कह रहा था पहले कि ये स्टोरी तो चल ये है, ठीक है, बट साइंस ऑफ द फिल्म, which,
हाँ.
time travel as a concept itself, and we said this in the episode with Paroma as well when we were discussing Interstellar briefly.
Hmm.
um, that time travel, I was saying, that is such a ludicrous concept actually when you think about it,
Yeah.
which is for this bootstrap paradox, right, which they mention in the film, the grandfather paradox they call it,
Grandfather.
but it's
Yeah.
the bootstrap paradox. So
Hmm.
I mean, you can't just wish it away because it's a Nolan film, and it doesn't become smart just because it's a Nolan film and the director said you can wish it away, because that's what they're doing in the film, right?
अरे
As I
but
believe,
it's
as
no, no,
much as I understood, they're trying to wish away the
no,
paradox.
I know. No, no, no,
Okay,
no. They're not
what?
wishing it away. There are they go.
Huh?
According to science fiction, there according to science fiction, not science
According to
fiction.
science fiction.
According to science
Huh?
fiction, there are two theories. Okay,
Huh?
two dominating theories related to time travel.
Hmm.
One is obviously what you said, involves a single universe
Right.
where if I go back in time and I kill my grandfather, then in that universe, like I will not get born.
You start a new universe basically at that decision.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. That's the explanation that these characters give, and they
Right.
say it. They say it very explicitly. But and this guy says it. Batman says it that
He, he,
Wait,
uh,
I'm not ready to listen to hear about Pattinson being referred to as Batman yet. Even though I think he'd make a great Batman,
yeah.
but yeah.
So, but anyway, but Pattinson says this.
Hmm.
The people from the future might be believing
Hmm.
that it starts a whole new universe and it doesn't exist in our own timeline. The
Huh.
moment I make a decision that is affecting my current
Right.
present, it starts a
A
new.
new universe.
So it's
Right.
not wishing it away. It's just saying that we don't know what is going to happen in the what people are thinking. Is
Right.
what is important is what they believe that this is what will happen.
Again, but they don't know this.
They don't know
The
this.
the characters don't know this shit.
They don't. They're
वो
just
करे जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, on the assumption that कि नोलन चाचा ने कुछ सोच के रखा है, ठीक है, but that's what I'm saying, it's still wishing it away because your characters don't know that truth about
but
that,
they're
right?
believing it, right? They're saying
they're
कि,
they're tossing a coin then,
That's what,
but
and
then
that's
that
what
was never resolved, was
it's
it?
not. It's not
So
resolved.
that's what I'm saying, like then the whole thing doesn't make sense, at least for
It's
me,
not.
because
See, it is not
because this is
answering.
why I did not like Dark also had the same shit where they also
Oil मत करना,
addressed.
please.
But okay, I don't, I have removed it from my brain, so I don't think I can even. But even in that, they would address the grandfather paradox and they try to, but the point is it's a paradox for a reason. You can't work and I really feel like if they would have given more, you know like, I kind of disagree with Himanshu on that, on the explanations bit. Like for me, the exposition wasn't so much of the problem, but it was the meat of what they were trying to explain,
Dude, I
you know.
think for sorry, just
Yeah.
since you're on the exposition point,
हाँ.
एक चीज जो मुझे बहुत खटकी ना,
हाँ.
वो था डायलॉग.
ओ
ठीक है,
हो.
एक डायलॉग तो इतना मेरे को ऐसा ऐसा
हाँ.
चुभा.
कौन सा
When
कौन
he
सा?
says, when Robert Pattinson says, and everybody in the world
Hmm.
मतलब उनकी life will be risked.
Hmm.
And the woman says, that means my
That means
boy.
what? I remember that.
I'm like,
I
bro,
remember. I
what?
अरे
remember. I
वो
remember.
बुलवाया क्योंकि अब तक ना उस कैरेक्टर का कुछ था नहीं, और उस पॉइंट के बाद वो कैरेक्टर का वो सन बिकम्स अ बिग डील, तो सडनली
I
एंड
I
remember.
almost thought कि Robert Pattinson will say yes, everybody's son. Like,
Ye-
अभी तेरे को पता है द थ्योरी इज दैट रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन इज मैक्स, लाइक द चाइल्ड, द डॉटर.
oh,
Max is the kid, right? He grows up to become Robert Pattinson, and
oh, I
he's
don't
That
know.
makes sense actually.
owned
Now
by
that I
like
think of it.
How does
uh,
that make sense? Say it, sorry.
Because of the closeness that they've shown that Robert Pattinson and that woman, like very randomly, these guys strike up a nice friendship, you know. So it was so that seemed odd. So I guess that theory kind of makes sense, yeah. In at least emotionally, I
and
feel.
also he
Yeah.
hints at it. And he says in the future we'll hang out for years, and we this is an end to a beautiful relationship, you know. So
But that he says to John Davis, what?
John, huh?
that's because the
That's
theory is
just
that John David marries or whatever, takes care of or whatever, are together with
Oh,
the mother.
तो उसका
but यार
बाप है वो basically.
So
एक बात
Max is
बताओ,
the son who grows up, and then
थोड़ा
एक बात
गोरा
बताओ,
नहीं हो गया? I'm just
no,
I'm just saying.
Max Max is
Oh, sorry,
already
sorry.
the
पुराने
son.
वाले से. Sorry, I'm my
Max
bad.
के पास तो
I
एक
was time traveling, guys.
अच्छा
It all can be explained if I make it complicated enough.
अच्छा वन मोर थिंग, एक और चीज मुझे थोड़ी सी लूज एंड टाइप की लगी
हाँ.
वाज कि वो लड़की तो दो बन गई ना अभी
Hmm.
फ्यूचर में, नॉर्मल टाइम में दो लड़कियां
हाँ.
हैं
हाँ.
और अब जो है ठीक है, विच इज फाइन, एक लड़की तो कूद गई उस वो पानी में,
Right.
ठीक है ना, बट शी वाज द वन हु हैड द फोन, राइट?
Right.
जो जॉन डेविड ने बोला था कि मुझे फोन करना कभी भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आए टू
हाँ.
पोस्टेरिटी,
Right.
तो सो इफ शी इज विद द बॉय तो फिर वो एक्चुअल वाली का क्या हुआ, मतलब उनमें से एक को मरना होगा ना, या फिर एक
That
को
so that means in that this is the fucking problem with time travel, okay? Because
yeah,
now you have that the original one who's gone to shore with the sun, and
yeah,
this one has just murdered and bounced, okay? And now this one will come back, and इसमें तो story अभी खत्म हो गई ना फिर. So,
exactly.
so that makes no
So
sense.
नहीं, that means I think it's open ended, it's not
हाँ.
like it makes no sense. I feel that मेरा जो पर्सनल ओपिनियन है कि
Hmm.
ये ये लड़की ने ना जो जो कूदी, इसने अपनी डोपलगैंगर का मर्डर को मार डाला, and that is the
Okay.
real closing of the loose ends, and now
Hmm.
she has taken her position is what I feel.
Okay.
That's a theory, I don't know, this is my own fucking theory, this is
अच्छा.
no basis, nothing.
अच्छा. अच्छा.
Okay, this is क्योंकि they make a big deal about tying up the loose ends and all that, right?
I.
Yeah, I'll tell you the problem that I had with the ending. It was not the emotional journey of the characters.
Hmm.
Suddenly in the middle, now when they say that we are going to go to this place where there's going to be an explosion, we're going to do an explosion, but then we're going to act like we're going to save it, but we're not going to save it.
Yeah,
One team is going in, one team is coming out, and then they start showing charts. Okay,
yeah.
कि तुम लोग यहाँ से जाओगे, हम लोग वहाँ से
ऐसे
जाएंगे,
ऐसे
रेड टीम ये तुम्हारे हाथ में रेड. मुझे लगा ये मतलब अब डिज्नीलैंड वाला वाइब आ गया, ठीक है. अब हम लोग एक उसमें अब एक गेम चल रहा है, अब गेम, and then the moment it starts everybody has a mask, and
Hmm.
at that point na, it's a little confusing, like,
It is.
It's not. Here's the thing. It's not even about confusing. Okay. It also doesn't make sense to me. I'm just being and I don't buy the thing. Oh, you don't understand it. No, I'm trying to understand it. I'm listening to all the explanations. Okay. How can two? Okay, there are two. There's a time temporal pincer unit, right? Okay. So there is one of those. Now, how can a team that's moving forwards in time parallelly support a team that's moving back? Sorry, the one backwards in time parallelly support the ones moving forwards in time. Like, how do you parallelly
Parallelly you
help
can't,
them? So
but you
then
can
that's what they were doing in the end, right? When they were storming the place.
you can see the other team do something,
Right.
right?
Right.
And you can see that happening, and by that thing, by just observing this, you can
Hmm.
decipher कि क्या होने वाला है. You can get a hint, and that's what they did, right? एक building ऐसे फट रही थी,
Right.
and they realized कि oh fuck, ये लोग फोड़ने वाले हैं, या फिर यहाँ से फटने वाला है. So
Huh.
खुद ही
they
फोड़ दिया.
say, हाँ. So that's the kind of shared learning that they're talking about, is what I
Right.
understand.
Right. But the only time I think we saw that come to fruition is in is when they blow up that building, which is
Hmm.
that cool scene.
And
Okay,
Robert
Yeah.
Pattinson going
And
back to
Robert
the
Pattinson.
pulling him out. Yeah,
Yeah, he
right.
saw that.
Those are the two moments.
Which is
Otherwise उसका कुछ तुक बन रहा था उसका.
नहीं, और
This
कुछ
is
नहीं था, और उसका कुछ तुक नहीं था, बस यही तुक
हाँ.
था.
and
एक था कूल शॉट और एक था इसको
and the
बचा
car
Deus
chase.
Ex Machina
No, no,
basically.
no. And the car
हाँ.
chase sequence is also
Is also a
basically the
temporal
same
pincer.
person going
कौन
back.
सा
And
सीक्वेंस?
The car
car
chase
chase sequence.
sequence.
हाँ, right.
And the airport sequence is also a temporal pincer
Yeah.
operation. And
Hmm.
if you think about it, the opera scene is also a temporal because opera scene is happening
Right,
parallel
right,
to this explosion scene. It's
Correct.
happening
right,
on the same day, same time,
right.
or
Yeah.
around the same time.
Around the same time.
Because Michael Caine says कि yesterday there was an explosion.
Correct.
Hmm.
Correct. And one more thing, guys, one more thing. Sorry. एक चीज मुझे समझ नहीं आई, तो मुझे जरा बताना मैंने क्या मिस किया. जब एंड में वो बोलता है, वो रशियन माफिया बोलता है अपने
Hmm.
That's all.
चेले को. हाँ.
क्या कहता है?
एक तो अपनी कंपनी का नाम उसका वो है.
सॉरी क्या कहता है वो हिमांशु?
सेटोर उसका कैरेक्टर का नाम है सेटोर.
सेटोर कहता है कि उसको टपका
हाँ.
दे. अपने
किस
चेले को बोलता है कि इसको
किस
गोली मार दे.
किसको गोली मार दे?
जॉन डेविड वॉशिंगटन को
ओ
एकदम
हाँ
एंड में.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ
वो
हाँ
कौन
राइट.
मरता है? वो
वो
किसी को
जिसको गोली मारी जाती है ना उसको
हाँ,
वो
वो
चेहरे
कौन
पे.
है? वो कौन है? क्योंकि जॉन डेविड वॉशिंगटन तो नहीं मरता, तो
नहीं नहीं
कोई
नहीं,
कौन
और.
है?
रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन है. वही
एक
तो
एक वर्जन ऑफ
I'll tell
रॉबर्ट
you.
पैटिंसन है
Robert
बेसिकली.
Pattinson, after they go
हाँ.
back, when in the end, when he has the algorithm in his hand, he gives it back to John David Washington, and he
एंड
says
गोज बैक.
he the only person who would be able to do this is open that door in which you were locked is me.
हम्म.
मी.
So because I am a lock picker, right? He's a lock picker. So
या
when in the straight timeline, John David Washington sees a dead body first, and then he
एंड
goes and then he gets locked.
सो बेसिकली वो रॉबर्ट
वो
पैटिंसन
रॉबर्ट
जाके
पैटिंसन है. तो रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन मर गया.
मर गया.
हम्म.
ओके.
उसका कैरेक्टर मर गया, बट इसीलिए वो
Got it.
एंड में जाते जाते बोलते हैं कि मैं वी मीट अगेन, लाइक इन द फ्यूचर वी हैव years together, and that
करेक्ट.
is the hint that he is Max.
मेक
Also
सेंस.
because Max is a blonde character and Robert Pattinson is also blonde, but in real life
हम्म.
Robert Pattinson is not blonde, he's black haired. So
राइट
करेक्ट.
they made him wear that thing.
दैट्स नाइस.
राइट.
And
एक और
also
चीज थी, एक और
Max का full name था Maximilian,
हाँ.
and
हम्म.
Robert Pattinson का name character का name is Neil. Neil is Maximilian का last 4 digits reversed.
Oh.
ऐसे
ऑल्सो
गंदे काम ना यार भाई
ऑल्सो
नोलन ही
इनके
करता है. ठीक है.
इसकी कंपनी का भी नाम उल्टा है, रोटास.
हाँ,
सेटोर रोटास.
सेट
Sota, Sota, yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Let's just put a fucking break to this
No,
shit.
no,
Okay,
there is a
1 minute.
thing. There is a thing. All the
हाँ.
characters का name, if you write it down, there are all 4 letters. Okay, I have only 5
Anagrams.
letters. Yeah, Tenet, Rotas, Sator, and sorry, Neil and Aditya,
Protagonist.
and the mother's name. If you write it in a box, na, they can
हाँ.
be read in all ways, like ऐसे ऐसे
ये
ऐसे
तूने
ऐसे.
खुद से तो नहीं किया है
ये
हिमांशु,
तू
ये
नहीं
तो
नहीं
घर
नहीं,
पे
किसी का
आके
पढ़ा.
नोटबुक में लिखा गया है
ये तो
हिमांशु.
तूने रेडिट पे देखा है.
कहीं
हाँ.
नहीं. हाँ, मैंने YouTube में देखा था किसी को
अच्छा.
बनाते हुए.
राइट. नाइस वन. ऐसे
ये
सारी
सब
वीडियो.
हरकतें ये सब हरकतें मैं नहीं कंडोन कर रहा. मैं इसको कंडोन नहीं कर सकता.
इसकी हम कड़ी निंदा करते हैं. ठीक है.
लेकिन बाय यार कम ऑन.
हाँ.
I genuinely feel कि most of these action sequences, the
हाँ.
way they are made, the reasoning for it,
हम्म.
and how they've been executed, I have never seen them happen on screen before. So just on an action movie uh, extravaganza level with some logic. I'm not saying कि दबंग चल रही है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, एक
राइट.
आदमी 6 बुलेट खा के थूक रहा है, वैसा नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ.
You are creating a world which is fairly logical. You are creating some rules which are fairly fulfilling themselves.
हम्म.
And you're making them into some really cool action sequences which are done for the first time. I feel उस level पे मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी.
I'll tell you what. In my view, as an action film, also, I would put Dunkirk a lot higher
Fair.
than this. Like without all the time travel gimmick, without all the cars moving backward gimmick, and all that nonsense happening that I have to endure the same scene 8 times because nobody can say no. Tell Nolan from a studio that dude, you've written a bad thing. It's not that people are idiots, like It's not at least always that. So I do think Dunkirk was a lot better in that sense. It had a lot. I felt a lot more alive watching Dunkirk. I was
Definitely.
a lot more invested, even though they never tried to have any underlying this thing of, oh yeah, family. Even though in that also there's that ship, that the boy and the father, the boys and the
Yeah,
father were going to get
correct.
those guys. But even then,
Civilian
like,
ships.
even then it was because it's World War II, so I think everyone is equally contextualized in that world and all that. I do think Nolan functions a lot better when he doesn't have to explain himself every 2 minutes,
Yeah, I think
you know.
Tenet का जो job था ना, the
Hmm.
thing that Tenet was made for the film, I
Hmm.
think that it was for Nolan to show off.
Yeah,
Like
and
he's always made movies with big ideas, right?
right.
So I think अब time आ गया कि Nolan also makes something like he wanted to have fun. मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है. Tenet was like, चलो I'll show off a little bit. Let me make it more complicated for myself and for the audience. Let's have
Yeah,
fun.
I do think this is not his most invested emotionally film, and that shows. One second, okay, that shows. Okay, like whatever you say about Interstellar, that scene is heartbreaking. That
Dude,
the scene
even
where
Inception.
yeah,
Yeah,
Inception also, but
Inception
in
also.
Interstellar, that scene where he's talking to her and he realizes his daughter's as old as him now, in in like an hour. So
Yeah,
that moment is heartbreaking and all,
yeah.
and there's that emotional sort of weight that he used to pull in his stories that I felt so lacking away. I could not give lesser, because once again, what is okay, apart from the, like, I know the relationship is a very is a rather abusive one, or at least they've implied so with the, actually no, they have
I
shown
found
later
it damn
like this.
funny, dude.
But
When
then,
she suddenly tried to kill him. Don't
yeah,
you think
oh, that
that
was
was bullshit, man?
hilarious. That was so funny. It was
So,
so random.
in my
And
movie hall,
he says later
Huh.
that I tried to kill myself. ऐसे कुछ था क्या?
no, no, no. So I thought he said that because I think he's shown to be a character who is
Suicidal.
slightly not like जो कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जो डिनाइल में रहते हैं हमेशा
Hmm.
कि मैं ही भगवान हूँ,
Hmm.
मेरे को कोई चोट थोड़ी पहुंचा सकता है, मैं ही खुद को चोट पहुंचा सकता हूँ. आई थिंक वैसा टाइप का दिखाने की कोशिश की, इवन दो द डायलॉग इज डैम फकिंग क्लंकी.
Hmm.
Hmm.
ये तो बट आई थिंक नोलन की हर फिल्म में ही ऐसा है कि डायलॉग हैज नेवर बीन हिज स्ट्रॉन्ग स्वीट. एनीवे विल
Wait,
कम
so
टू
I
इट.
just want to complete my thought. What was I saying earlier?
भूल
Come
गया.
on, guys. What, Himanshu?
I'll have to do a temporal pincer.
Temporal pincer will have to be done over here. Yeah. Nay,
You were
I
saying
was
the
the
abusive
relationship.
relationship.
Yeah. So there, they showed him like sort of later on when he's in that room beating her up and like shooting her and all that stuff. In that, पर पहली बात ना, रशियन ओलिगार्स को कभी मैंने अच्छा इंसान तो नहीं देखा है, ठीक है, मैंने कोई भी मूवी हो जाए,
कोई हो
ठीक है,
गया, हाँ.
तो मैं उससे वो चीज एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करता, तो मेरे को वो ज्यादा हिट नहीं कर रहा. अगर आप ऑलरेडी एक फालतू इंसान को अगर आप दिखा रहे हो और उसको बोलो अरे ये देखो कितना फालतू, तो मैं, इट्स ओके, ओके, आई ऑलरेडी नो. सेकंड थिंग, there, what was at stake for her apart from that, all that nonsense? At stake for, she was like, I'll go to prison, right, because she did that fraud and I'll
Forgery.
lose custody of
Hmm.
my son. I'm sorry in if I sound cruel, but it did not, or maybe the situation is not my problem, but the way it was presented
Bro, it's
did
the
not
same.
feel like, for me, like in that I can, like Leo trying to meet his family again, which is actually much lower stakes
Yeah.
in real life, seemed a lot more believable from that kid, this character really wants to meet his kids and wife or whatever it is again, right? Like, I did not feel that over here at all. I did not buy into the relationship
You know,
at even a bit. Okay, especially that fight wala scene where सब फेंक रही है उसको, like that glass thing she throws and all that. I'm like,
Yeah.
it seemed like a short film, like a
Yeah,
student
yeah,
short film,
yeah.
Yeah, Himanshu, sorry.
so this it carries forward the tradition, Nolan tradition of having a dead wife, bad
Yeah.
wife character. And in this, even though the bad wife is the good wife in this
Yeah,
film,
yeah, yeah,
it's still she ends up killing a person. Matlab, no matter how much you hate it, or if you feel like he deserved
Is
that.
Nolan married?
yeah. Emma
Do you
Thom.
think?
अबे Emma उसकी
हाँ,
producer है.
मेरे को नहीं
हाँ
मालूम यार ऐसा,
अरे
बट
वो मीम से नहीं देखा क्या तूने?
नहीं नहीं मीम पे नहीं देखा है। मार क्यों रहा है, नॉर्मी है क्या? एनीवे सॉरी। नहीं, so I wonder if she feels nervous watching this stuff. This dude really likes to kill wives. So
Yeah. But
uh,
dude, I really like this guy's act. Sorry, but I really like this guy's acting
John
now.
David Washington.
अबे he looked the part, मतलब उसका
He
look
he
अच्छा है
looked
बे
out
वो.
of depth कि क्या चल रहा है, कहाँ जाऊँ, क्या करूँ, कैसे करना है.
But I feel like, we were talking about emotion, that he wasn't showing emotion, and for
Yeah.
that, and Bharat gave a reason which I would say is believable if I wouldn't have seen the film. Okay, but I think uh, that is not even valid, because the thing is वो emotion दिखा रहा है पर गलत
Mhm.
जगह. ठीक है, वो हर it
अबे
felt
same with
very
Dimple
weird.
Kapadia, same with Dimple Kapadia. Like she has been given these huge lines, right? And she's just
Hmm.
walking, and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो जिस तरीके से बोल रही है ना, उससे उस words का meaning थोड़ा उल्टा हो रहा है. मतलब she is supposed to give an information to the main character, right? And she's supposed to be the person who knows the information. But
Right.
she says that line in a way that she's
उसी को नहीं
asking.
पता.
हाँ,
Also,
हाँ.
why
she
does she
says that.
keep restraining information constantly?
Exactly. No.
Is
And
there some logic to
Need
it
to
that she
know.
is also
हाँ,
learning on some shit, or
यार
I
this
don't
ये
know.
guy.
I mean,
हाँ, she says
ये
that.
चीज मुझे बड़ा हैरी पॉटर का याद दिलाया
huh.
कि
Dumbledore.
डंबलडोर कभी कुछ बताता क्यों नहीं है यार फर्स्ट ईयर में कि ये
But that's a children's movie, an
True.
adventure film. I get why that would happen in Harry Potter.
अबे नहीं नहीं
इधर
नहीं,
तुम
he
लोग वर्ल्ड
should.
वॉर 3 बचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो? सच में एक बात बताओ। एक तो पहली बार, I'll tell you one I was watching it with my fiance and my friend, and the friend I was watching it, he is very unserious when it comes to movies, so he likes to crack jokes. Okay, and the moment there was that dialogue, no, which was where they tell, where like she's like, we're trying to prevent World War 3. The Fleur from Harry Potter, she's also there, no, she was that person who's
Yeah,
doing the
Fleur
research.
Delacour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she says we're trying to prevent World War 3, and he says nuclear holocaust, and she says something worse. And
But it is that.
both of us cracked up laughing. We're like, okay, ठीक है, holocaust हो गया, पर ये पता है ये बुलेट ना टेढ़ा चल रहा है, ये है असली काम. ठीक है, ये असली प्रॉब्लम है भाई. It's not just that you can't grow food anymore because there's nuclear winter, but also that your food is walking backwards. Like, I don't know why anything is worse than nuclear. एक बात बताओ, अगर ये मूवी टाइम ट्रैवल होती जस्ट अबाउट अ न्यूक्लियर हॉलोकॉस्ट, मुझे वो भी चलता. ठीक है, न्यूक्लियर हॉलोकॉस्ट ही कर देते. मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा व्हाई दे हैव टू बी लाइक वर्स देन a न्यूक्लियर हॉलोकॉस्ट. यू
Actually,
कांट
if you
ब्रो.
think about it, see, if you
हाँ.
think about it, the problem that they're battling against
हम्म.
is just the reversal of time.
या
Okay. That's okay.
ऑब्जेक्ट्स में.
हाँ, क्योंकि ultimately वो क्या है?
चलेगा.
What is Sator trying to hide in the future or in the past or whatever? What is he trying? He's trying to hide an algorithm for time
हाँ,
traveling only, right?
राइट,
Right?
बेसिकली
Yeah,
एंड इन्वर्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स
but इतना
बेसिकली.
बुरा नहीं लग रहा है मुझे. The more
हाँ,
I
हाँ.
hear about
तो मोर
it, it's okay. चलेगा. टाइम
संभाल
को
लेंगे.
बैकवर्ड चलाना है,
हाँ.
ठीक है ना. इसका तुम किसी को दर्द पहुंचा रहे हो क्या? नो नो, माय पॉइंट इज कि यू आर नॉट कॉजिंग एनीबडी. तुम 1 मिलियन लोगों को गैस चेंबर में नहीं डाल रहे हो, तुम बस टाइम रिवर्स
हाँ.
कर रहे हो.
हाँ, करने दो. I just feel I just feel it doesn't measure up to a nuclear holocaust, man. That was one of the dumbest dialogue I ever heard in my nuclear holocaust. Never have the words something worse followed the words nuclear holocaust. Okay. Like, how's that? How do you write that on a page with confidence and honor? Like, I don't get it.
I think Nolan should be cancelled.
Nolan should be cancelled. Nolan should be just stopped from writing. Cancel the
Yeah.
writer Nolan. I would love to see director Nolan write other better people's words. You know. So I think that's a great segue. Unless you guys have anything else to say
We have
about.
We have 1 minute
we
left.
Okay,
have
okay.
1 minute
We
left.
have 1 minute left on this Zoom meeting. We'll have to start another one to continue. But do you guys have anything on?
No, that's it.
Anyway, that was this week's episode, and thanks for joining us on this one. It was a lot of fun, and we'll be back soon, hopefully. Anyway, see you
Bye,
guys.
guys.